Bisectors of interior angle B and exterior angle ACD of a triangle intersects at T. Prove that BTC is equal to half of angle BAC. Oh, this is a very standard question, guys. So please pause as and when you have to think over. So very first thing is the diagram. So I have the diagram over here. We have a triangle. Okay, we have the bisectors of interior angle A. ACD is your exterior. So this has to be B. So the interior bisector, that is angular bisector, is what they're talking about. So this is your bisector, right? Divides the angle into 2 equal half. And then the exterior, that is even the exterior angle is getting bisected by some line. So let me change the color. So something like this. Okay, I had to extend that line a bit more, I guess, or maybe a bit this side is your, yeah. Okay, let me redo this a bit. So let me extend it very far away. I think that's good enough, right? And this is somewhere, I think, yeah, it looks okay, right? So again, what I'm doing is, see this line, we're calling this as T. BT is bisecting angle ABC and CT is bisecting angle ACD. So basically, if this is X, this is also X. If this is Y, this is also Y. So the question is what? We have to prove that BTC, this particular angle, is equal to half of BAC, this particular angle. You can call this as 2A. So we have to prove that this is A. Okay, so that's the whole funda. So we have been given quite a few things. Angle, nothing. All that we have is BT bisects angle ABC and CT bisects angle ACD. And then what else? Okay, that's it. To prove angle BTC is half of angle BAC. Now the proof. The proof starts. First thing is, whenever you're talking about bisection, what should we do? Yes, call them as angle ABC is equal to 2x, or in this case 2y, and ACD is equal to 2x. Okay, guys. And then on to the next thing. Should we call this as 2a? I'll just keep it, you know, I'll give a space just in case we want to call it as 2x. 2a, that is, sorry. Should I call it or not? Okay, I'll just call it off. Angle BAC is 2a. If it's useful, then good. If not, it's okay. Doesn't matter. Now, what can we tell about angle TBC? So, angle TBC is equal to angle ABC by 2, which is equal to y, not xy. This is because of the statement BT bisecting that particular angle, because of the statement A. And next is we have angle TCD, okay guys, is equal to angle ACT is equal to angle ACD by 2, which is equal to x. This is because of statement B. Because of statement B. Okay, right? Then I'm calling both this angle as x. I don't know if it's useful or not. I'm just calling it. I mean, the writing, in the writing, I'm just showing it off. Okay, so now what is that we have to do? See, we are talking about exterior angle, so we will use exterior angle property. So we have two triangles, BTC and BAC. Okay, so let's consider them. In triangle BTC, right, angle x is equal to angle, right, this angle x is equal to angle T plus angle y. Will that help? Yeah, why not? Angle x is equal to angle t plus angle y. Okay, because of exterior angle theorem. I hope you guys agree. This is your exterior angle. This is your interior opposite angle. For this particular triangle, let me shade it for you guys so that things are a bit more visible. This particular triangle. Agree, guys? Just some more bit of Can you see this? With respect to this angle, so on and so forth. Let me paint it for you guys. Agree with this angle? This is your exterior angle. This would be your exterior angle, and this would be your interior opposite angle. Happy? Okay, on to your next triangle. Let me clear this for you guys, and let me give you guys a clue. On to the next angle we have. So we are considering the next set of triangle, that is ABC. Right? In this case, what is happening? This and this angle, that would be your interior, and this will be your exterior angle. Okay, so we are talking about in triangle ABC. What do we have? We have angle B plus angle A, or we can call it as 2y plus 2a is equal to 2x, or we can call this as angle BAC itself. We'll just go with that as of now. I don't think this is useful, but anyways, no harm in writing, right? So okay, next thing is what? This is same property, exterior angle theorem. Yeah, I want to rearrange this. We need an expression for t. We can't just end it over here. Angle x minus angle y is equal to angle t. Okay, I just rearranged it. Nothing fancy. So let me take this off so that it doesn't look too stuffed. Again, I just rearrange this, guys. Nothing else. Now on to this, because we want a relationship between t and this particular angle. So I need to rearrange. Here too, I'll rearrange. Angle BAC is 2x minus 2y. What is common? 2 is common. What is left out? X minus y is left out. Agree? I'll call this as 1. So if I substitute in place of x minus 1 angle t, what happens? I should not be writing this as angle t. I've taken it as x and y, is it not? Sorry, not angle t, angle y. I should write it as angle t, but not angle x and angle y. Okay, this is good enough. So from 1, what can we tell? So from 1, we can, if I substitute 1, we have angle BAC is equal to 2 times of angle t. So angle t is equal to 1 by 2 times of angle BAC. Hence proved. Okay, guys, that's it. That's your answer. And by the way, BTC is same as T itself. So I've not done anything fancy. I just called it as T. See, till the last moment, even I would have not known. I mean, I kind of knew the answer, I'll be honest. I've done this before. Obviously, I kind of remember this. I mean, it's kind of nice. I don't know why I remember this question. Not the exact answer, but I know it will turn out to be so. But what I'm trying to tell is, till you guys start writing, you will not be able to figure out answer just like that. You know? So please don't just look at the question and sit over there. Try to draw. Try to think about, okay, they're talking about exterior angle. Let me use exterior angle property. How many triangles are there? There are 2 triangles. Okay, I'll apply the exterior angle property 2 times. They're talking about angular bisector. Let me call this as 2x and 2y. You know, this is not required, but let me call the other things as 2x and 2y. Okay, so exterior angle is this, so let me use it, apply it. So we are relating t and we are relating a, so I got an equation now. So can I equate them, can I relate them? Yes, this and this I can relate them by substituting x minus y. You know, midway I was like, oh yeah, I mean I will need angle t to be expressed in terms of x minus y. That's why I changed it. It's not like I by hearted this question. Understood? So you don't need to just sit and think over that. Just keep writing, you know, whatever you understand about the question, keep writing that. So if you get used to such behavior in the exam, this would be natural. Any new question, you will naturally write few things. And 99% of the time, okay, let me not tell 99, at least 90% of the time, things would be obvious. 10% of the time, you might not be able to get it at one go, but I'm sure if you have done your work in a systematic hard work, 99% of the time, things will be very obvious. Of course, if you've done last minute work and all, that won't work. So please don't have that. At least few months before the exam or as and when the syllabus is going, my funda is before your class, watch my content, be ready for your class, and in the class you can discuss with your teacher. That's the whole idea about my content, you know. So anyways, the pointer here is just by writing through, things will be obvious in time. That's all I'm trying to tell. So I think I asked you guys to pause and have a look at this, and next part is this.